Chevre, it might be cold outside, but inside it's a git warm. Chevre, we're out here with Yoeli Freund in the Borough Park Spa.
Yes, Brooklyn Spa.
Brooklyn Spa.
Yes. Let me show you around. First of all, this place is built for like real luxury. Everything is super high end. Nothing is like commercial. You know, we're here to just service people that just want to have luxury. You don't have to go too far out. We're like 10-15 minutes from Borough Park, and it's super private. There's no cameras. It's in a basement. Nobody knows you're here. No information is shared. Everything is just very private.
Wow. Okay, take me around. Let's see.
So we'll start as everybody starts always. You got to change. So we have a full bathroom. This is bathroom, shower. We have all amenities needed for the shower.
It's like an hotel here.
Yes, I have deodorant, everything. This is like for groups or for parties. We have a full table. You can fit 6 to 8 people. In general, in this place, you can fit around 8 people, I would say.
The hookahs here?
We also do hookahs. As whoever knows me, I also have a hookah company, Zula Hookah.
Zula Hookah.
And I offer some hookah as well here.
So somebody wants hookah, there we go. We have hookah in the house here. What's nice. I see some drinks over there.
Yes, drinks are all included. I have water and soda.
Nice. Now let's get to the schwitz.
Okay, here we have a hot tub.
Get back here. What's nice? An in-ground hot tub.
Yes,
an in-ground hot tub. I love it. It's so cold outside. You have to come in here.
Yes, always warm here.
Here.
I also have slippers. We have towels. I have bathrobes, and I have bathing suits.
Nice.
Then we have the cold plunge, which runs around 50 degrees.
Wow.
You know, but if people want colder, we could make it colder.
Really?
Yeah, we can go till 37 degrees, but
wow.
You know,
I don't think I can handle that. Have that cold plunge right there. Nice.
Okay, we have here. This is the saunas. We have a dry one. Come inside.
Get back. Wow, this is very long. Hold a good 5-6 people in here.
Yeah, around 5-6 people.
Nice. I love the wood, cedar wood.
It smells fresh. Right?
Delicious. Nogmaals te doen deze there.
This is the wet schwitz.
Wet schwitz, gaan we de nasse schwitz. Oeh, we can do bezem with
people are always asking about the bezems.
The bezems.
We do have bezems.
We don't need the Becca chair, we do need the bezem. There we go. Nice.
We have another shower here.
Shower over here. That is beautiful.
And this is some of the people's most favorite part, is that we have an outdoor
smoking lounge.
Smoking lounge.
Lights, you can chill over here and smoke over here. Nice. Have a look at the detail, the sand, the trees. You remember, it's so cute the way you put up this place.
You're like in a different
element.
Yes.
You come out here, it's literally a 7-8 minute drive from Borough Park. We're not giving out, it's a private location. You order it and then you get the location. And you're in your own world. Drinks over here. You can watch the Perlowitz show off on screen.
Yes, always.
The Anash video.
And MDY.
And then the MDY, the DAF.
Yeah. But you could just reach out, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, and you know I'll be pretty fast on the responses and make sure you get you in here.
Kevin, a message Yoeli, and what happens if somebody mentions the Perlowitz show?
Oh, we're definitely doing a big discount for you.
Kevin mentioned the Perlowitz show, and this is something out of the world, and I think it's a must for everybody. People are working so hard these days, you gotta just check out.
Yes, this is a real checkout, and you don't have to go too far.
You don't have to go too far, you're just in a different element. So it works with hours or just a group, or just a package?
It works by the hours.
By the hour. Yes. So get it for an hour, 2 hours, and it's yours. Chevre, groups, this place is private, no cameras. You get the code, you're inside, and this place is yours for the night. Chevre, message Yoeli, I'm gonna put the phone number on the screen, mention Perlowitz, and this is yours.